Hey guys, we got the GE back again here. Andy wanted to film it, and I decided I redid the wires, and I also ran some WD-40 through it to clean out some crud in the oil cup, which was pretty cruddy. So let's see if it runs any different. Start out, we got the amp meter and everything here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thought it started at 8 last time, but I guess not. 9, 10, we're up to 10.
Uh-oh.
What? Saw something?
No.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. I swear this one started earlier last time. 21, 2. It's 22. 1.43 amps. 25, 1.7. 28, by the way, is 2 amps on the nose.
I think any of the buzzing we hear right now is from the fluorescent lights.
Yeah. That light back there is pretty buzzy. Eventually the ballast is on its way out, and when it goes completely, I'll replace it. 30, 2.2. 33, 34 is 2.56. High is 2.55, so I guess 34 is as high as we should go. Already did the airflow test on this. It's as powerful a fan as you'd expect. Try with the solid state control. Oh, we started, huh? .24 maybe? Nope, stalled out. There we go, 1.27. A for the turn, 2.2. Other A for the turn is high. Still pretty close. I was gonna see if it's any different to how close it was to the housing. No. I'm gonna let it run for a little bit. We can stop filming, but I'm gonna let it run for a little bit and see how it reacclimates. Any other shots you want to get?
I'm good where I am, so just let it do its thing.
Okay, well I'm gonna stop filming. I'm gonna see if Bill's home because he would know about this.